Place the gaskets on the holder. Place the filter element on top of the smaller gasket. Make sure that the side with 6 division markings is facing downward, and the side with 8 division markings is facing upward. Tighten the cartridge onto the holder. Connect the nozzle on top of the cartridge, making sure that the connector cup is tightly secured to the thread of the cartridge. Once the cartridge has been assembled onto the holder, place the cartridge onto the rubber base. Connect the control valve with coupling to the holder. Connect the end of the hose to the control valve. Remove the faucet on your lavatory sink. Insert the steel pipe nipple to the hole. Place the 3-way angle steel valve or T. Connect the hose to the side end of the T. And finally, connect the faucet spout to the front end of the T. Remove the aerator on the tip of your faucet spout. Connect the diverter to the faucet spout. Remove the control valve tip of the other end of the hose. Then, connect the hose to the diverter. Remove the faucet on your lavatory sink. Insert the steel pipe nipple to the hole. Place the three-way angle steel valve or T. Connect the control valve with coupling to the side end of the T. Connect the cartridge holder to the control valve. Connect the faucet spout to the front end of the T.
Before removing any faucet spout or pipe fittings in your lavatory sink, make sure that all water control valves and water meter controls are switched off. Always use Teflon tape on all threaded parts. All plastic parts should be secured and tightened by hand. Do not use any wrench in tightening these parts.
Open the control valve minimally. For a few seconds, air will come out instead of water. Wait for the water to start coming out of the nozzle. Black water will initially come out for newly installed cartridge due to the activated carbon residue. Let the water flow for at least 2 minutes. Then, increase the flow rate of water to further drain the black residue. Discard the first gallon of clear water that comes out. After which, water may then be consumed. For a family of at least 7 members, the cartridge can be used for up to an approximate of 900 gallons, depending on water conditions. Replace the cartridge at least every 4 to 6 months, and the filter element every month. To ensure safe and clean drinking water, our cartridge includes a cotton element designed to filter out rust, dust, sand, and sediments. We recommend checking and replacing this component as needed to maintain optimal performance. Cartridge should also be replaced if the following occurs. The water flow is slower compared to the newly installed cartridge even after changing the filter element. Water becomes odorous and taste of chlorine is retained. And rust, sediments and asbestos particles become visibly noticeable. Look for the enclosure crevices on the sides of the filter element. Insert a flat, sturdy tool, such as a screwdriver, to lift up the cover of the filter element. Replace the soiled cotton with a new one. And shape them inside the filter element until firmly full. Place the cover of the filter element until you hear the clicking sounds, signifying that the cover has been tightly secured.